and you can't see it. Holy sh**. Hey guys, Ing is back with some dirty roots, grown out hair. And I think it's time to have some fun. Bring in the Wheel of Fortune music with different options from a buzz cut to 3 free cuts, a surprise cut, and everything in between. You ready for it?
I'm ready for it.
Well, well, well. A surprise cut. My favorite. And you can't see it.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Okay, just to make sure, you can't see a thing, right?
Nothing.
Scared?
A little bit.
There it goes.
Oh damn.
Let's check. Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. This is weird for me as well, because usually I have to hide it and then do like this, whoop, but you can't see a thing. May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I know you hate me for this, but it's over in a second. That's it. We can do one fun thing. It's the touch reveal. You can feel it.
Oh, okay, it feels already amazing. Oh, it's so short. Damn, I really want to see it.
Oh wait, I have to run to the bathroom first.
Oh no. You tease.
Just kidding. 3, 2, 1.
Holy oh, no way. Whoa, so cool. It's so white. Amazing. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm speechless. This is so cool. Wow. I love it.
Well, that's it, guys. We're done. What a cool change. And just because it's something so cool, I'm going to show you the before on screen as well. Here it is for the people, and you can see it as well. That's what you look like.
Oh,
I hope you're happy with it.
super happy.
Was it worth the suspense?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Thanks for being such a sport and spinning the wheel. Let me know what you guys think of it down here in the comments somewhere. Well, once again, thanks for your trust, for the balls to spin the wheel, and for coming in. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.